Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and you enjoyed your winter vacations. Welcome to all of you in New Year 2021. This is your science class for grade 2. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Kina Imtiaz. Today we will do exercise of unit number 10, the moon. Okay, students, open your book. Unit number 10, page number 43. Unit number 10, the moon. This lesson I have explained in my previous lecture in detail. Just I want to read today this lesson because today we will do exercise with the help of this lesson. Okay. Okay, let's start. Listen to me. The moon is our closest neighbor in space. The moon is also a sphere. It is smaller than the earth. The movement of the moon. The moon spins on its axis just like our earth. It also goes round the earth, taking around 29 days to complete one circle. Now you can see these are the changing phases of the moon. Okay, this is the earth and this is the moon, changing phases of the moon. Okay, students, and this is the sun. Page number 44. The shape of the moon in the night sky keeps changing. This is because as the moon circles the earth, only that part on which sunlight is falling is visible to us. The moon rotates on its axis in almost the same time it takes to orbit the earth. This is why we always see the same face of the moon from the earth. There is no life on the moon because there is no air there. There is also very little water on the moon. The moon has no light of its own. The light we see on the moon is the light of the sun that falls on it. Next topic is landing on the moon. In 1969, an American called Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. To get into space, a rocket has to get above the air. As there is no air in space, astronauts have to wear space suits with oxygen inside. Okay, now we will do exercise of this lesson, unit number 10, the moon. Okay, look at question number 1. Choose the correct word from the brackets. A part, there is dash water on the moon. In the brackets, you can see two words, little and no. What you studied in the lesson about the moon, there is water, no water, little water, or what? So what will come here? There is little water on the moon. There is little water on the moon. Okay, so choose little, first one. B part, there is dash air on the moon. Okay, what will come here? Little or no? On the moon there is no air. So here will come no. There is no air on the moon. C part. The moon dash its own light has or does not have. What will come here? The moon does not have its own light. The moon does not have its own light. Okay, because moon is non-luminous object. Only it can reflect the light of the sun. D part, the moon dash a planet. Is a planet or is not? What will come here? The moon is not a planet. Okay. E part, the moon is dash than the earth. Bigger or smaller? And you have studied in the lesson, the moon is smaller than the earth. What will come here? The moon is smaller than the earth. F part. The moon spins on its axis, dash the earth. Like the earth or unlike the earth? What will come here? The moon spins on its axis like the earth. Okay? The moon spins on its axis like the earth. G part. The changing positions of the moon are called its what? Orbits or phases. What will come here? Its phases. Okay. The changing positions of the moon are called its phases. Now listen again. A part. There is little water on the moon. B part. There is no water. There is no air on the moon. C part. The moon does not have its own light. D part, the moon is not a planet. Okay, the moon is not a planet. Number E, the moon is smaller than the earth. Number F, the moon spins on its axis like the earth. Number G, the changing positions of the moon are called its phases. Okay, students. So this question you will do in your book. Okay, now next question number 2, answer the questions. Now we will do answer of all these questions. Okay. Questions, answers. Question number 1. What shape is the moon? What shape is the moon? Its answer is the shape of moon is spherical. The shape of moon is spherical. Okay. Question number 2. Have you ever seen the moon during the day? Have you ever seen the moon during the day? Answer. It cannot be seen in the day. Okay, because in the day we can see sun, but we cannot see moon. So answer is it cannot be seen in the day. Question number 3. When did you last see a new moon? When did you last see a new moon? Answer. I have seen a new moon 5 days ago. I have seen a new moon 5 days ago. Okay, students, you can write this answer in your own words. If you have seen yesterday, before 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, so you can write in your own words. Okay. Also, you can write this answer. I have seen a new moon 5 days ago. Question number 4. Does the moon move around the sun or the earth? Answer. The moon moves around the earth. Okay. The moon moves around the earth. Question number 5. Who is an astronaut? who is an astronaut? Its answer is an astronaut is a person who travels in space on a spaceship. Okay? An astronaut is a person who travels in space on a spaceship. Okay, students, these are 5 question answers you write in your notebook and also learn. Listen again. If you can't read, then listen again. Question number 1. What shape is the moon? What shape is the moon? Answer. The shape of moon is spherical. The shape of moon is spherical. Spherical means round. Okay. Question number 2. Have you ever seen the moon during the day? Have you seen? No, because we cannot see in the day. So answer, it cannot be seen in the day. Question number 3. When did you last see a new moon? I have seen a new moon 5 days ago. I have seen a new moon 5 days ago. Question number 4. Does the moon move round the sun or the earth? Does the moon move round the sun or the earth? Answer. The moon moves around the earth. The moon moves around the earth. Okay. Question number 5. Who is an astronaut? Who is an astronaut? Answer. An astronaut is a person who travels in space on a spaceship. An astronaut is a person who travels in space on a spaceship. Okay, students? These 5 question answers you write in your notebook and also learn. Okay? And this is your homework, same homework, write question answers. There are 5 question answers, write in your notebook and learn. And question number 1 of book, it is at page number 45 of the book. Okay, so do this question in your book. Choose the correct option or correct answer. Okay, students, and if you have any problem, then you can ask from me in Zoom meeting. Okay. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.